So if we want a graph of this, we can use a calculator, but we really don't need one for the questions that it asks us to do here. It wants to know what's going to happen at the ends of this, which it's an even degree, all right, because it's a sixth power, so even degree, and it has a negative coefficient. Okay, so the degree is right there, even degree, negative leading coefficient, all right, the one in front of the biggest exponent term. So when it's even, the tails have to point the same way, but because that's negative, that means it's going to be upside down. So the tails are going to go like this. Now it's going to have more turns than that, but the tails are both going to point down on this graph. So as x gets larger and larger, y gets smaller and smaller. So y goes to negative infinity. As y gets smaller and smaller, sorry, as x gets smaller and smaller, y again gets smaller and smaller. So it's going to be negative infinity again. It should have six roots because it's the sixth power. We don't know without a graph if they're imaginary or real, but we know that there should be six of them altogether.